Alright guys, I just got my Xiegu X6100 back from repairs. Xiegu put in a larger battery. They put in, let's see here, I go to, they put in a larger battery. They fixed the CW jack.
Good up here. Sorry about your weather down there. We're going to get some of that again this afternoon. We hit the high for the day in the early 40s and heading down to the 30s.
Radio seems to be receiving well. They even updated the latest firmware. I'd like to know what that signal is that comes across here. I can hear it on lower sideband. Oh, there it is. It's on upper sideband as well, so not sure what that is. Almost sounds like a ship's horn.
Good to hear you this morning, and thanks for what you do.
Not sure what the hell that is. I have to reset the clock, the time. Some strange noise. It's April the 5th here. We're under a winter storm warning. We had snow and blowing snow last night mixed with rain. It was -5 this morning. The biggest gust of wind I've had here recorded on my Davis weather station is 47 kilometers, but I'm sure we've had some much stronger than that. We were pummeled with ice pellets this morning, and they're calling for possible rain. There are thunderstorms at the border right now, coming this way, and thunderstorms have been reported in the Thunder Bay area. So really strange weather today. It's like we're getting all 4 seasons except for the sunshine today. So, you know, so we'll see what happens here. Anyway, I just heard that really strange noise come across here, and I just wanted to record it and show you guys the X6100 that I got back here from repair. So, just waiting for that sound to come back one more time.
Excellent. Lock it down. That's perfect, over. Perfect. Thank you. 7-3, you have a good day, and like I say, I'll check in from time to time. Enjoy your call.
All right. Have a safe day, folks. Watch out for the other guy, because the other guy may not be watching out for you. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Take care.